First of all, I'm grateful to Dr. Prashanti and Asha ma'am and entire WellCure team for I'm following this lifestyle now since a year and year. Initially, it was not easy for me. Of course, I was suffering from multiple issues. I was hypertensive. I am hypertensive still little bit. From 29 years, as I was from 29 years in during my pregnancy, I was detected with hypertension. Later, yes, I was hitting pre-diabetic stage as well with the stressful lifestyle and of course little sedentary and little activities. I was even suffered from thyroid, and so the complications were growing on, and there was no end to it. And when we go to doctor, I was simply prescribed it with lots and tons of medicines. And to my surprise, once what happened was, yes, I was even detected with vertigo. So vertigo was the most disturbing thing which happened, which was disturbing my lifestyle, my day-to-day normal routine as well. And and along with that, after say couple of months, fibroids were detected in my uterus. So multiple issues were going on. So once, as Dr. Prashanti said, my brother was already doing this, and I could see great amount of changes and very positive things in him. And he told me, Ananya, this time your birthday gift would be, I'll enroll you to healthcare and you have to do these things which Dr. Prashanti is telling us, and do it. And I just simply followed. And the best thing which happened to me was introduction to this kind lifestyle. It's a kind of lifestyle which was introduced. I lost 20 kgs in this journey. Then my blood pressure, now I'm not eating any blood BP medications. I've stopped it. Initial days, yes, I used to get some palpitation, but I came to know from आशा मैम एंड प्रशांति डॉक्टर की ये सारी चीज़ें हम लोग we can regulate with breathing exercise. So everything is linked to our gut. If you might have eaten something, like if there are gases coming up, palpitations are occurring. And otherwise, if I go to doctor and फिर doctor मुझे बोलता था, अरे आप लोग ये medicine खा लो. And because of those Prasupress XL and whatnot as Almodipine and other things, I was getting this giddiness and other problems. And there was no end to palpitation problem also. Every now and then palpitation used to occur. But now, with the kind of food itself was medicine, and I realized it. And this experience has taught me, like, we have to be consistent. Earlier, yes, few things were I used to know. Let me be very clear on things, that I started eating and slowly switched on to eating raw and fruits. Now I like fruits. are मैं अभी मार्केट में जाती हूँ तो फर्स्ट आई यूज्ड टू से, अरे वहाँ पे वड़ा पाव है, वहाँ पे मोमोज है, यहाँ पे ये है. बट अभी आई गो एंड सी कि ये, अरे यहाँ पे ये अच्छा फ्रूट मिलता है, यहाँ पे कोकोनट पानी सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा मिलता है. So these are, and I I started liking fruits. I'm now having cravings to eat fruits. Okay, now there's a season of, now I'm waiting for mangoes to come up. Mango season is going to come up. Now watermelons are there in the market. So, the change was very, so I started moving towards natural food and the food which is full of life, right? And it sometimes it happens that the body is craving for salt, to eat salty, because of maybe we are, so that time even Asha ma'am told me, okay Ananya, you eat spinach will help you to balance those minerals. So food itself will help us to overcome all these cravings. And fruits like bananas, orange, green leafy vegetables, even if you are adding little bit of lemon, ginger to things, how things we can overcome these cravings. And staying well hydrated, drinking water is the best medicine. Even I tried under guidance of Asha ma'am and Prashanti doctor, 64 hours of fasting I was able to successfully complete. So, and still now I, like, on Ekadashis or any other, we do fasting. And yes, fasting has become part of my life. Whenever we are fasting, I was able to even heal up quickly when I was on fasting. So when I get ill, the first thing I do is I fast. Ma'am, even I wanted to share with you that I have told in my entire school assembly that students, instead of drinking milk and coming to school, have one fruit, and having one fruit in the morning has helped many of the students. Otherwise, they used to, there were not many issues among children as well.